is Nimade Misteri Putri. My number absent is 13, 16, and my friends.
Nimade Dwi Purnawati. My number is 35.
Okay, let me start.
Bulan, what should we do in the next holiday? I have some suggestions. How about cooking and drawing?
Nice suggestion. Okay, we will cook and draw then. Okay.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
Bye bye.
That's all for our conversation. We say thank you and
Bye bye.